How to use gerunds in English. Verbs plus ing. I enjoy doing. When to use gerunds. We can use the ing form of a verb like a noun as the subject of a sentence. We use the ing form of a verb after certain verbs, example. Like, enjoy, prefer, stop. We use ing after enjoy, mind, and suggest. Examples. I enjoy dancing. Not I enjoy to dance. I enjoy reading. Not I enjoy to read. Would you mind closing the door? Not would you mind to close the door. Chris suggested going to the cinema. Not suggested to go. Some more verbs that are followed by ing. Stop. Postpone. Admit. Avoid. Imagine. Finish. Consider. Deny. Risk. Fancy. Celebrate. Contemplate. Defer. Delay. Detest. Save. With some verbs you can use the structure verb plus somebody plus ing. I can't imagine George riding a motorbike. You can't stop me doing what I want. Did you really say that? I don't remember you saying that. Sorry to keep you waiting so long. That's all right. Let's practice with examples.
Let's practice with examples. Skiing is exciting. Has it stopped raining? Flying a plane isn't easy. I avoid going to the dentist. I enjoy listening to music. Swimming is good for you. Watching TV is bad for you. Running is very good for you. I don't mind getting up early. We enjoy having dinner together. I don't fancy going out this evening. You can't stop me doing what I want. Sonia suggested going to the cinema. I hate being late. Or I hate to be late. It started raining. Or it started to rain. He tried to avoid answering my question. Anna loves dancing. Or Anna loves to dance. Amy had a lot to do, so I offered reading her. Could you please stop making so much noise? Have you finished reading the newspaper yet? If you gamble, you risk losing your money. Would you mind not interrupting all the time? I'm not feeling very well. I don't fancy going out. It's better to avoid traveling during the rush hour. Would you mind turning the music down, please? I've given up trying to lose weight. It's impossible. I prefer traveling by car. Or I prefer to travel by car. When I'm tired in the evenings, I like watching TV. It was a beautiful day, so I suggested having a picnic. My memory is getting worse. I keep forgetting things. Suddenly, everybody stopped talking. There was silence. I'll do the shopping when I finished cleaning the flat. I don't mind you using my phone, but please ask me first. Have you ever considered going to live in another country? Shall we postpone painting the kitchen until next weekend? Do you like getting up early? Or, do you like to get up early? She's a very interesting person. I always enjoy talking to her. We need to change our routine. We can't go on living like this. They said they were innocent. They denied doing anything wrong. I've put off paying this bill so many times. I really must do it today. I considered applying for the job, but in the end, I decided against it. What a stupid thing to do. Can you imagine anybody being so stupid? I'm afraid there aren't any chairs. I hope you don't mind sitting on the floor.
Hi, Sarah. How are you? I had a great holiday, thanks. Mexico is a wonderful country, and I can't stop talking about it. I miss visiting lots of new places, but it's nice here at home, and I love having a hot shower every day. I've just finished reading my 200 emails. I had one from Gemma. She suggested meeting on Friday with you and Helen. Can you come? Guess what? Helen has just got engaged. I can't imagine getting married at the moment. Can you? Have you started working on your project for next term? I haven't thought about mine yet. Anyway, that's all for now. See you on Friday. Love, Jenny.
The link, of all sentences in this video, is in the description.
Don't forget to watch these videos.